Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sulaiman. I am a Quran teacher and Hafiz Quran from Bangladesh. I have more than 5 years of experience in teaching the Holy Quran with Tajweed to kids, women, adults from different countries. I help my students with correct pronunciation of Arabic letters, basic to advanced Tajweed rules, reading the Quran from the beginning. I teach through Zoom, Google Meet, WhatsApp, and other platforms. Whichever is easy for you. My teaching style is friendly, patient, and step by step, so even beginners feel confident and comfortable. I can teach in English, Arabic, and Bengali, depending on your preference. So, if you want to learn the Quran in a beautiful way, join me. Let's begin your Quran journey together, inshallah. Jazakallahu khairan. See you in class.